Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the opportunity of sitting down with Rob Duthie. Rob is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Rob.
Thanks for having me.
So today I want to talk to you about town growth. Certainly a lot of people have concerns about where the town is going into the future, so I pose you the question. Where do you see the town in 5 to 10 years?
Okay. Well, I've been asked the question, what is the ideal size of the town? Where do you see it in the next 5 to 10 years? Orangeville has a population approaching 30,000 people in a relatively small area of 6 square miles. This gives us a population density of almost 5,000 people per square mile. Orangeville is not a large urban center, and its appeal is the small town feel with big city services. It keeps our residents here and draws in new ones. Orangeville has seen very modest growth in the low single digits for the past 10 years. In keeping with the vision statement of the council that advocates valuing small town appeal of Orangeville, I would advocate maintaining our rather modest growth by limiting new housing development, particularly higher density housing such as townhouse construction. While I'm not opposed to new development, we need to ensure that the town planning is well mapped out and that we proceed cautiously to meet the council's vision. I look back to other communities where there was rapid, unchecked, high-density housing development, such as Whitby and Boonville, and to my disappointment, to see the loss of their small-town feel. They were both assailed by traffic congestions on roads that were quite frankly not designed to handle the kind of traffic flow they ultimately saw. I've seen this starting here in Orangeville, where you may already have noticed increase of traffic along Rydell, Centennial, Town Line, and County Road 109. While I support a cautious approach to housing development, where I really want to see growth is in our business community. While we may be a small town, we also service a larger community from neighboring Dufferin County municipalities and need to take advantage of that by offering the services and amenities that will continue to draw those people to our town. There are simply far too many empty units in the various business parks within town, and it is widely viewed that this is due to the tax burden on those businesses. These businesses, both small and large, have been driven from town over the past couple of decades, resulting in job losses and loss of tax revenue. This is a trend that must not only be stopped, but reversed. We need to draw businesses back, and we need innovative strategies to do so. We need to form partnerships to market Orangeville, making sure people know that we are open to new business. The way to track those new businesses is through long-term tax incentives. We want new business while protecting existing businesses. As we grow, we will benefit from a consistent tax revenue stream. This will satisfy the vision and value statement of the council of encouraging business growth.
Well, thank you very much for addressing this important issue, and certainly I know the voters appreciate that. Thanks again for watching, and if you'd like to see more of what Rob has to say, do take a look at the links below. Thanks again.